everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're doing a beautiful set of olive green nails. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going in with this color by Color Club and the color Just My Luck, which I did on the pinky, and then the rest of the nails I'm going to be using this olive green color in the color Gritty Realism by Easy Flow. And I got that one a couple years ago, or maybe like 2 years ago on eBay, but I'm sure you can find it anywhere like Amazon or I guess eBay, but I'll try to leave the link down in the description. And again, we're just going to go ahead and apply that on all the other nails. And to clean around the cuticle area, I'm using my gel brush by OPI, but you can use any small brush. Now, one thing that I can say about this olive green gel polish is you have to make sure that you do not apply those coats too thick, because the polish will wrinkle up or peel up on the sides. Whenever that first happened, I thought maybe it was just my lamp or something, but I've even switched lights and it was still doing that. So you have to make sure that you do not apply this polish really thick. But anyways, for this index finger, we're going to do like a little negative space nail. So I did the green closer to the cuticle area, and then I'm going to clean up the lines, but it's going to be kind of like a rectangle. Or sorry, not rectangle, but a triangle. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the bottom. So as you can see, I'm just wiping as I go. That way, if I was to do green, you know, at the top and bottom and then try to clean it up, most likely I would mess it up. So be sure to clean your lines up as you go. And then I'm gonna go back in and just do the same thing to the tip. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and let that cure for 30 seconds, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand. So again, this is the color Just My Luck by Color Club, and it is a regular polish. As you guys know, this is the one that I always use whenever I do a full nail of bling. And then for the rest of the fingers, we're going to use that same olive green in the color Gritty Realism. Alrighty, so we're cleaning around the cuticle area, and then we're going to put them under the light for 30 seconds, and we're going to go ahead and do a second coat on the first hand, and then we're going to cure for another 30 seconds. Alrighty, so after we finish doing the 2 coats on both hands, we're gonna go ahead and apply some bling. So this set is pretty simple yet really pretty. So again, we used 2 different colors, which was the Just My Luck by Color Club and the Gritty Realism by Easy Flow. Now we're gonna use my Mia Secret gel resin. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on the nail, and with my wax pencil I'm gonna be applying my SS6 and SS12 all over the nail. As you guys know, I started closer to the cuticle area, work my way around the perimeter of the nail, and just filling in the rest as I go. And as always, I just alternate from the 2 different sizes. Again, that is my SS6 and SS12, and those will be on my website once I restock. As you guys know, I'm still working on it. Again, I'm just trying to wait until I have enough time to where I can send out everyone's order in a timely manner, but I will keep you guys updated. Alrighty, so I sprayed the nail with the activator. So now I'm just going to outline that triangle with the bling, and I'm just using the SS6, which are the smaller ones. And again, I'm just going to outline those lines. Alrighty, so once we're finished applying the bling, I'm going to go in and spray that nail with the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator. And as always, this spray basically just helps the glue dry, because as you guys know, it is a gel resin, which means that it's a little bit thicker than the regular glue. So it's going to take a little bit longer to dry. So with the spray, it basically dries that glue instantly. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and fill in this nail as well. Again, we just apply the glue on the nail, apply the bling with the wax pencil, and then just add more glue as you need it. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to go in with my IBD gel top coat and we're going to apply that on all the nails. And after that, we're going to let them cure for 60 seconds. Alrighty y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out really pretty. That olive green is just so beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.